Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Kilo World on my other channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the Quinn 87 master socket set. Before we begin, I just want to let you guys know that I think I'm going to make this YouTube channel more of like mechanic side and mechanic tools, unboxings, and stuff like that. You could always check out my other channel, my main one, for my regular videos, but for today we are just going to be unboxing these tools. I also bought some gloves on Amazon, Diamond Grip. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with this brand, and this is my favorite type of glove to use when I'm working on cars. I also ordered a pack of 1,000, so I got a good deal on them. I saw today they were like 120. That was like the lowest price they've dropped. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. I also grabbed this up for a $20 off coupon today. So original price is $90. And they also gave me a free bucket today. And I also got some anti-seize for myself. Oh my god. There we go. And we are recording in my room today. I'll try to record at the shop. I just need to get my camera over there. So this is quite heavy. So here it is. Let me see how the camera looks. Okay. So here it is. Quinn. It's a pretty big box. Nice and sturdy. So there's 2 latches on here. You gotta pry up like that. And I've heard that you gotta make sure you have the label facing upwards, or else all your sockets are gonna spill out. So here we go. So you get a little foam. So yeah, these unfortunately are not tight like these over here. So I'm gonna see if I can figure something out with these right here. Make them, put some like magnets or something. But anyways, here we have the whole set. This is a chrome set. So we have the long ones up there. You kind of see them right there. We have the regular size ones. This one moved. And you have your E-Torx from E10 all the way to E24. So it's 18, 20, 22, 24, 10, 12, 14, 16, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We do have metric and standard. So we have H 2.5 all the way to H6. Quarter inch, no, 1/8 to quarter inch, T6 to T30. And these are quarter inch ones. And these are your 3/8. So it's quarter inch, 3/8, and then ½ inch. Really nice set, guys. And then I believe these are quarter inch. These on here. Let me set the camera down. Sorry, I need to get a better tripod. So these right here are quarter inches. So quarter inch, And then you have 3/8, 3/8, quarter inch, standard and metric. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's all you get in the box. You get some really big ones like this. So yeah, this is gonna become really good when I need them, because I don't have any of these. E24 for like European cars, or some Jeeps require these type of sockets. So yeah. One more thing is that you could take these pins off in the corners and actually make it like make this whole thing come apart, so then you could put it inside your toolbox, kind of like flat. I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now, because I am gonna be buying some foam inserts for these. I found them on Foam Inserts Tools, I think. I could put it up right here in the description, and I'll put it up on the screen, where you can find foam holders for these. And they have a bunch of other ones too. But yeah, guys, I got that. And then obviously it's gonna fall, so I'm gonna make sure these don't fall when I close it. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching.